Property managers, here a 60-second guide to help you choose the right pipes for your property. PVC pipes are a staple for both residential and commercial spaces. It's cheap, lightweight, easy to install, and resist to corrosion. They are perfect for both cold water applications and sewer systems. Copper pipes are ideal. They are durable, reliable, and resist to corrosion, and even have antibacterial properties. Awesome for cold and hot water plumbing systems. Their only drawback is they are more expensive and require a high level of experience to install. Last, we have cast iron. These heavyweights are often used for commercial buildings and sewer lines. Since they dampen the sound, they often use them for multi-story buildings. The catch is they are costly, heavy, and installation is very labor intensive. Give us a call for all your commercial plumbing needs. And for more information, hit that follow button.